Well, hello everyone. This is Peter Brown with a look at your weather for this upcoming weekend and next week. And I want to hope that you had a great and happy New Year and a great Christmas and holiday season. As you know, we had temperatures way up near 70 on Christmas Eve, but with a new year comes new weather. As you can see from our almanac right over here, our temperatures at this time of the year are supposed to be in the mid-30s, and that's about what we're going to be seeing coming up for the next couple of days. Going to be kind of messy, though, coming up. Even with these temperatures being cold, we're going to introduce a little bit of rain, perhaps, into it, so real winter weather, real dreary weather is coming up. But as you can notice, look at our high temperatures at the end of the period. As you can see, the temperatures aren't falling anymore. That's because we're basically at the bottom of the barrel in terms of our temperatures for the winter. It's about as cold as it gets here in New England this time of the year, and we are really in the midst of winter, that's for sure. The only good thing, though, about the midst of winter is look at the sunset time. It's getting later and later. That's great. We really could use a little bit of a boost at this time of the year, that's for sure. As we move ahead, I'm going to show you a little bit about what's going to be going on this weekend coming up. Now, starting tomorrow, starting on Friday, we're going to have a storm moving in from the mid-Atlantic. And what's going to be happening, as you notice here, there's going to be a lot of warm air coming up from it, but there's a layer of cold air still at the surface that's coming down from Canada. And what that might happen, what might lead to happen away from the coast is we could have a little bit of freezing drizzle away from the coast north and west of Boston. So here in the Burlington area, that could be an issue tomorrow night. But coming into Sunday, the warm air is going to really win out. We're going to see temperatures soar, and we're going to see a lot of heavy rain by Sunday. As we move ahead, I'm going to show you a little bit about what might be happening with the ice accumulations. Again, nothing to worry about. We're not looking at a crippling storm, ice storm, or even as bad of an ice storm like we had a few days before New Year's. But as you can see here on this map, all of this yellow on here, this is about maybe 1/10 of an inch of ice or a little bit less that we might see Friday night going into early Saturday morning. So if you're out late tomorrow night going out to dinner or you're going out Saturday morning, just keep that in mind that it could be slippery out there. As we move ahead, I'm going to show you a little bit about our weather for the next 7 days. And as you can see, unfortunately, the 60s and 70s are long gone and a thing of the past. We're going to start off with temperatures in the 30s on Friday, with a little bit of patchy freezing drizzle. Again, not something too much to worry about, but just something careful if you're driving and taking a walk around. Then we're going to have kind of a very cloudy and very rainy weekend coming up. Cold on Saturday. Sunday, we're going to have absolutely pouring rain with temperatures approaching 50. And when we start out next week, it's going to get cold again, so back to normal for January, but nice sunny skies. As we get to the end of the period, though, it gets a little bit unsettled. There are some indications that we might have a little bit of snow being introduced here by Wednesday and Thursday. We'll have to take a closer look at that. Hopefully, we won't get too much, that's for sure. We've been so used to our nice weather that we don't want to throw a wrench into the plans, that's for sure. But I hope you get out there and enjoy the nice weather at the beginning of next week. And